Hi, grade 4. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learn with Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will explain Unit 2 in your book, Connect. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe for my channel. Let's go to our unit today. Today, I have got you a video about an animal, one of the animal deserts that I will that we will learn today with each other, which is fennec fox. I would like to enjoy this video before I will go to our unit today. Let's enjoy this video together.
We'll talk about fennec fox. Common name, fennec fox. Scientific name, Vulpes surda. Type, mammals. Diet, omnivore. Size, head and body, 9.5 to 16 inches. Tail, 7 to 12.2 inches. Weight, 2.2 to 3.3 pounds. Desert adaptations.
Fennec foxes dwell in the sandy Sahara and elsewhere in North Africa. Their nocturnal habits help them deal with the searing heat of the desert environment, and some physical adaptations help as well. Their distinctive, bat-like ears radiate body heat and help keep the foxes cool. They also have long, thick hair that insulates them during cold nights and protects them from hot sun during the day. Even the fox's feet are hairy, which helps them perform like snowshoes and protects them from extremely hot sand. The fox's feet are also effective shovels for frequent digging. Fennec foxes live in underground dens.
Diet and behavior.
These foxes dwell in small communities, each inhabited by perhaps 10 individuals. Like other canids, male fennecs mark their territory with urine and become aggressive competitors when mating season arrives each year. Fennec foxes are opportunistic eaters. They forage for plants but also eat rodents, eggs, reptiles, and insects. Like most desert dwellers, the fennec fox has developed the ability to go for long periods without water. These foxes are cream-colored with black-tipped tails. Their adorable appearance makes them favorites of the captive pet trade, and local peoples also hunt the fennec fox for its fur.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Bye-bye.
Let's go to our lesson today. Let's go to our unit today. I would like to know more about this lesson. Today, we are going to talk about animals, deserts. It is the title of our unit is Desert Animals. Let's go to know more about this. I think you will take some of them in science. You will take this year some of this. I think fennec fox is one of the animals that we will take in that we will learn. We learn this year in science. Okay, here we have birds, lizards, insects, fennec fox, crocodile, snake, spider, and camel. I will repeat and repeat after me. Here we have main vocab here. I would like to know with me: birds, lizards, insects, fennec fox, crocodile, snake, spider, and camel. Here we have some extra vocab. I would like to know it, like country, helpful, important. I would like we have a lesson about helpful. That is 2 syllables. We put help, and full is 2 parts. Helpful, careful. Okay, this called 2 syllables. Important, cute, huge, farmers, small, scary, dangerous, ugly. Here we have conjugation of verbs, as we told before, that we have regular and irregular, and we know the difference between them during the previous 2. I think I explained this before in the previous 2 units. That when I said to you regular verbs adding what? Adding ed only, like looked and like lived, controlled. In irregular verbs we have the verb changed collectively, like what? Think, sold, eat, ate. As we told before, grade 4, we must keep the irregular verbs very well. Why? Because irregular verbs in English is like the timetable in mathematics. Are you answer any problem in the mathematics without keeping without keeping timetable? So in English, irregular verbs, it's important for us to answer any sentence. Okay, we must keep it. You can't say me it's difficult, Miss Iman, to keep it. All of us see in the first we know it. It's difficult, but during time it becomes easy. Okay, during time it becomes easy. So we must keep the vocabulary well, like this. Think, so you can put ed for these verbs. These verbs change the collective. So eat, ate. Go, went, grew, grew. Okay, all these are regular verbs. Let's know some expressions here in this part. We have expression and phrases here. We like what I think. What about? To ask. We use our what about to make suggestion. Okay, make suggestion. To make suggestion. Okay, it's important to know this. And we have another form that we use it to make a suggestion also. What is it? Let's plus the infinitive form. Okay, both are suggestions plus infinitive form. Okay, plus infinitive form. Like we say, well, let's go, let's play, let's read, and so on. Okay, let's go, let's play, let's read, and so on. Here we have suggestion about and what about and let's. This is called suggestion. Okay, this suggestion. Okay, let's continue our topic here. Here we have that's true. We have here dangerous. We have here pronunciation G, like huge and dangerous. Okay, written like this. Okay, if you look up in the dictionary, you can see this sign. Okay, you can see this sign. Okay, let's go to another one. Think like this. We have think here. So this is the sign of the pronunciation TH. Okay, let's go to another one. Here we have helpful, as we told you before in the previous part. You have here help plus full, like this. Okay, helpful. Let's answer this exercise below this part. The space: camel, dolphin, crocodile lives in desert. We know now the desert animal will be what? It will be fennec fox and camel. So I'll select here camel. The birds are very what? Are very cute. So I'll select this one. Can we say huge? Wrong. Ugly? Wrong. Scary? Wrong. You can say, Miss Iman, you are selecting the wrong answer. Why? Because I put myself as you in the exam and answered the wrong. And when we know when we understand the word, I select the suitable answer. Okay, I put myself in instead of you. Okay. Here we have has many legs. Can you guess me which one of these animals has many legs? Is the birds wrong? Lizards wrong? Fish wrong? It will be what? It will be spiders. The crocodiles, camel, foxes, insects are very small. Which one is very small? We can see what is the things that we see in our homes and the small insects. So I select this one because fox is big. Fox is big. Camels is big. Crocodile is huge. So any one of these are small? Wrong. So the small, it will be insects. Let's read this play together. Okay. Here we have the dialogue between Mom, Sarah, and Tariq. Let's know what the dialogue is about. Look at these animals that live in our country. Look at the crocodile. It's huge. Tariq, huge and scary. I think the spider is scarier. Mom, yeah, here is surprising. But spiders are very helpful. So you can see spiders is harmful, but harmful. But we have a task. What is the task of spiders? They eat insects. Farmers like spiders. Okay. What about the snake and crocodile? Are dangerous, but we have an important task also. Let's know it together. They are dangerous, aren't they? This called, I explained during the summer course, is what is question tag. I would like to know it, okay? To know this format is called question tag. When during the lesson, I would like to know the vocab, the structures that we learned during the summer course. It's important to know this is called question tag, okay? I would like grade 4 to return to rewatch again the grammar courses that I explained during summer course, because it's important to know what we learned before. Okay, and here we have a comparative and superlative. I explained before. I will repeat it again later later when we take it here in this lesson. Again, but I would like to rewatch again on the videos. Okay, the channel is with you. You can return to the videos and remind yourself what we told before. Okay, Mom, yes, that's true, but they do a very important job. So you can see snake and crocodile is huge and dangerous. Yes, dangerous and huge, but do an important job. Yes, do an important job. What is the job of these dangerous animals or these dangerous reptiles? Okay, what is the important job? They eat insects, birds, and lizards. This controls what? The number of these small animals. We sometimes think some animals are scary, or we sometimes think some animals. We sometimes think some animals. We sometimes think that some animals are scary or ugly, but they are important. Ugly and scary, but are important. Let's answer the question below this lesson. Okay, let's go to answer it. I will leave this because it's a listening, and as we told before, you must pay attention when your teacher is saying, when your teacher reading during the exam, to take care what he wants from you to answer. Okay, this part I will leave it because I don't know, I don't have a text or listening text. Okay. Let's answer from exercise number 2, from question number 2 here. There are lots of animals in our country. Sometimes we think some animals are scary and ugly, but they are all important. They are important. As we know during the text. Okay, as you know during the text. Okay, important. Crocodiles and snakes and crocodiles are very dangerous, but on the other hand, they do a very important job. They space insects, birds, and lizards. What can do with insects, birds, and lizards? Can do what? Can eat. Can eat. This makes what? Controls. This controls. Okay. Okay. I will leave this book below the video to answer again. And if you have a difficult question, you can send it to me on the channel to contact you with what is the difficulty. I hope grade 4 to contact me from the channel, because I would like to know your opinions and what things that I would like to modify in our channel. I hope to answer. I hope to send me your questions on the channel. Okay. Don't worry to answer me. If any question you wanted, send it to me to the channel, and I will answer you immediately. immediately. Okay, let's go to continue our lesson today. Some animals are scary, scary and what? Scary, but scary, but they all they are important. Number one, by number E. Spiders are what? Spiders are helpful, as we know during the text. Look at the crocodiles. Look at the crocodiles. It's huge. Okay, it's huge. Farmers like what? Like spiders. So the answer it will be spiders. Number four. Number A by number 4. Like spiders. Why? Because they eat insects from the land, and that helps what? And helps what? And helps the farmer. As we know it here in this text. Okay, farmers like spiders. Okay, like spiders. Here and here we have crocodiles are what? Are huge. Huge. Spiders are helpful. Are very helpful. Farmers like what? Farmers like what? Like what? Like spiders. Okay. Let's go to another question here. Here we have a subject plus verb plus object. This is the rule we learned during the last years. Okay, subject, verb, object. As we told you that subject can be what? Can remember me? Can be noun or what? Or pronoun. Me like what? Like we say Ali, for example, and we omit Ali and put instead of Ali or Mona or any name by what? By he. Okay, if we have Mona, for example, or Sarah or anyone, Sarah, I write Sarah, for example, Sarah, I omit Sarah and write she. Okay, this is called noun or pronoun. So I would like to know this rule: subject plus verb plus object. Okay, this is important to do so. Let's answer. I answer 2 of them, and I leave the rest to do it as a homework. Okay, I would like to say something grateful. I will make you a video to how to write paragraphs later. Okay. So today I will give you I answer the exercises, and I leave the paragraphs to answer it to know it in a separated video. But I will leave you to during this lesson you can guess and answer this by yourself. Okay. And I will make you a video to revise how to write a paragraph to write it very well in the exam. Okay, let's go to know more about this. Here we have subject, verb, object. Let's search, for example, for first about subject. What is subject here? I would like to say you must know the subject. Subject is the one who is the one that do this action. Okay, the verb is the action, and the subject is the person who does this action. Okay, so you must know that because in the exam can't put and can't underline the subject, so you must know the subject. Okay, let's know where is the subject here? Animals. So I write animals, because this question is important to know how to answer in the exam. So I give you the rule to answer. Okay. Animals. Animals doing what? Do a very important job. 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 Another one. Think scarier is spider. I think the spider is scarier. I think the spider is scarier. The spider is scarier. I think the spider is scarier. Okay. I will leave it to do it as a homework. Okay. Here we have in the question form. I make what I make inverse. I replace the verb instead of subject. So like what about and what the crocodile think. So it will be what. It will be what about. What about. This expression written like this. What about the crocodile and the snake? What about the crocodile and the snake? When we met and in the as the punctuate and rearrange, we don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Grade 4. You don't forget to put the question mark if the sentence is question. Okay. You can say if I forget, if I write the question and forget the question mark, what the one who corrected my paper do, you can give you minus half mark. Okay, it's easy. Okay, so minus half mark, minus half mark, minus half. You can't give any marks. Okay, so we must take care when you answer. If the sentence is in question form, you must put the question mark at the end of the sentence. What about so the answer will be what about the crocodile and the snake? What about the crocodile? So you must take care when you answer the exam. You must concentrate when you answer and take care of everything. Okay, your mind must be with you in the exam. You don't think for anything except the exam. In the day of the exam, okay? Forget everything, okay? Forget this is the way to answer your exam well, okay? To make your exam well done, okay? What about the crocodile and the snake? I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, here is question mark. I'm signing you to don't forget it. Okay, don't put the question mark in any sentence, on statement sentence. In the question sentence like this. Okay, question sentence, not a statement sentence. And some of you can make something special. Okay. You take care when you answer. When we have a question, you must put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, at the end of the sentence. Don't forget to do so. Let's go to the punctuate. And I will give you some of lesson 2, and next class I will continue. Okay. Because I would like to do, I know that you aren't be able to take all this information in one session. Okay, I do so. I like so because you are coming from the vacation and you can't and your mind can't be able to take all this information. Okay, I think so. Here we have Sarah is researching about animals in Egypt. So what is the wrong here? What is the wrong here in this punctuate? Sarah, written in capital letter, is researching about animals in. So here Egypt. Can you write Egypt like this? No, it's wrong. I will write it like this, and I put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay. So I would like to say that in the question of the punctuate, you must underline the wrong letter to answer it like this. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we have write a paragraph of 24 words using the guiding elements. I will leave this to think with this paragraph from the lesson. We take the animals here in this lesson. You can collect the information and write about it. And as we told you that I will make a previous separated video about how to write a paragraph. Let's go to lesson 2 today. I don't give you all the lesson. I give you some I give you a part of this lesson, and next class I will continue. Let's go to know the vocab here in lesson 2. Here we have amazing desert animals. We have here camel, Amazing. Amazing is adjective. Delicious, adjective. Large, adjective. Here we have 3 adjectives. Amazing, delicious, and large. Feet, horse, beautiful, perfect. Beautiful is an adjective also. Perfect is an adjective. Flat, noisy is an adjective, okay? I will repeat and repeat after me. Camel, amazing, delicious, large, feet, horse, beautiful, perfect, flat, and noisy. Here we have some extra vocab. I would like to know it with me. Here, right? Surprising, sand, fresh water, strong, special, grass, okay? I would like to explain something. I would like to know it here, grade 4. Here we have ed form, ed form, ed form, ed adjective form, ed adjective form, adjective, ed adjective form, adjective form, used for what? Used for persons, and for persons and emotions, for persons, persons, and emotions, okay? Emotions. Like what? Like when we say he is bored. He is bored. I'm saying he is bored. So here I describe this boy, but he is feeling bored. When we have, this is for persons. For things what I can do is in persons. We have ing form, adjective, ing form, used for things. Used for what? For things. Used for things. Like what? Used for things. Like what? When we describe something, we say, we put an ing. Like what? This book is boring. This book, for example, this book is boring. This book is boring. Okay? This book is boring. This book is boring. So I describe the book that is boring. Okay? Here we have this book is boring. This book is boring. Here we have he is bored. So I describe this person is bored. This book is boring. This is the difference between both. Okay, I would like to note here. Okay, here we have an emotions. We describe an emotions by adding it like this. Okay, like this. We have here. Sorry, you have adjective here. Here we have he is bored. So the boy. I describe the boy. He is bored. When we have an ing things for things like to say, I describe the book that is what that is boring. Ing is one meaning. Let's go to another one. Something wrong here. Here we have conjugation. We have conjugation here, as we told, conjugation verbs. We're adding ed to the verb, like carried, walked, closed, stopped. Here we have some expressions I would like to know it. We have here perfect for a long time, get angry, here is why, be careful. We can say be careful, be attention, be careful, be quiet, and can be and do and say that something that the adjective that I wanted to do. Look after. Okay, I can find it out. There are fates and waters in the camels. What this place that the animals store food and water here. Okay, camel's hump that the camel uses when it's hungry or thirsty. Let's read the text about the camel and answer the question below, and I will stop here on this page. Next class I will continue. Let's go. Let's read this text. Yes. Camels are amazing. They are beautiful, strong animals. They help us to carry things and people to cross the desert. Their milk is delicious. We can use their fur. We can use their fur. We can use their fur. Their fur to make clothes. Camels are perfect for desert. Here is why camels have large flat feet so they can walk on the sand. Camels live without water for a long time. Why? Because they store water in the humps. Okay. Camels have special ways to close their nose and eyes to stop sand from coming in. But be careful, camels are noisy and can get angry. How can animals help us? Help us by what? By carry things and help people to cross desert. This is the answer of this question. How can we use camels' fur? How can we use camel's fur? Can we use camel's fur to make what? To make clothes. Today I will stop here. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.